So today we're working on a Sub-Zero 700 TC refrigerator. Customer complaint is that the door is not able to close all the way. As a result, there's a lot of condensation buildup here. So today we are going to be changing out the upper hinge as well as the lower hinge here. Those are the guys right there. So we managed to take off the wooden door here. As we can see, there's some black powder up all over the top. Good sign that the hinge is starting to rub against each other. We'll be replacing the hinges next. Okay, so the new hinges are put in. As we can see, those are right there, and then closing. Oh, much better, right? We got that nice, even, easier to close, and then we'll have to check if that moisture comes back, but it should be all good.